Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our channel again. Semoga English Podcast The Pioneers with me, Mr. Jainul. Well, today is Friday, 13 June 2025. Still with Rahmat, my student here. We would like to have some little conversation about our daily activities. Now I have a friend here, still Rahmat, because I still try to find another student, but they didn't come yet. But it's okay, although it is only Rahmat. The point is, we would like to practice our English. We want to improve our English by having some daily conversation. Now, good afternoon, Rahmat.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, nice to meet you again, Rahmat.
Yes, nice to meet you again, Mr. Zainul.
Okay. Rahmat, you know that today is the last day in our school to have the last examination. Is that right?
Yes.
How many days do you have examination in your school?
How many? If I'm not mistaken,
Yes.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah. 2 weeks. Okay. Do you have some problem in your examination
Yes.
for the lesson?
Yes,
What lesson it is? So it's difficult for you. What lesson is difficult for you?
my trouble is not the
What lesson is very difficult for you?
it's not the lesson that difficult for me. So it's there's other trouble
Yeah.
when I do my test.
Yeah. What is trouble?
My laptop is
Oh yeah. You have trouble with your laptop, yeah?
yes, my laptop was broken.
Yeah.
And the sad is the hard disk is broken and
Oh,
needs to be
shit.
replaced.
Okay, that's too bad. And what about the last? It's okay after you have finished it.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the lesson? Is there some difficult lesson for you?
Yeah.
Chemistry, for example, physics, mathematics, biology.
And
Is it okay?
I will for the lesson that the most difficult for me is the Java
Sorry?
Java lesson.
Sama?
Java language.
Oh, Japanese.
Yes.
Okay. So mathematics is not difficult for you?
No, it's not.
Okay, good. What about physics?
Physics. There's no physics.
Oh, there is no
Yes.
physics because you are 1110, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, what about others besides mathematics? English? English is difficult for you?
No, it's easy.
Okay, good. So mathematics and English is so easy for Rahmat, yeah?
Nah.
Just mention it. And I will check it after the report given to your parent, yeah? If the grade of your report is very bad, so it means that you are liar, yeah?
No, not
Okay.
the most easiest, but
Okay.
I'm more understand
Oh, see.
on that
Okay,
lesson.
okay. Just kidding, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Okay, what about your activity, Rahmat? After you have a last examination in your school, and then what do you do in your home after this?
I take a little break, sir, from
Little break
yes,
from studying,
yes.
and then what do you do?
Do some exercise and
What kind of exercise do you have?
cycling,
Cycling, yeah. And then what else?
jogging, and other exercise like pull up and
Pull up and
sit up and
sit up and
push up.
wake up.
Push up.
Push up, yeah.
Yes,
Push up, sit up, squat jump,
Yes.
you
And
know,
squat jump.
and squat jump.
Yes.
Do you always do your exercise like that one every day?
In the morning, I do one exercise. Is the exercise that I do every morning is stretching.
Every morning?
Every morning, I stretch my body.
You trust?
Stretch.
What is trust?
Stretch.
Oh, stress your body. Okay, good. Push your body, yeah?
Yes.
Push, not stress, yeah. Good, good. Okay, what else? What do you do? Do you have something in your home that you do every day with something, for example, what is it? For example, pet maybe. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Okay, good. What pet do you have?
I have two cats and around more or less 20 pigeon.
20
20 pigeon.
pigeon. Okay. 2 cats and 20 pigeon. Okay, now tell me about your cats, your 2 cats.
I have two cats and the old one is a male and
Male,
his fur color is black and white.
black and white. Okay. The older, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And he has a short tail.
Short tail.
Yes.
Okay, next.
And
The young?
the young one is a female.
Female.
And her fur color is white and gray.
White and gray.
Yes.
Do you feed them every day?
Yes, I feed them
What-
every day.
What is the food of the cat?
Cat food. I usually feed them cat food.
Cat food.
Yes. And
Do you buy it in the shop?
Yes.
How much?
Um, tw- if I'm not mistaken, is 12,000 rupiah
12,000 rupiah for 1 kilo?
for one.
A pack.
Right. Yes, one pack.
Only one pack, yeah?
Yes.
So the food for the cat is 12,000 rupiah for one pack. And then how many days will the food finish for one pack for 2 cats?
Probably 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks.
Okay. Okay, next. What about your pigeon? You said that you have 20 pigeons. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your pigeon. And then, yes, come on, tell me.
I have 20. Like I said earlier, I have 20 pigeons,
Mm.
and their feather color is white, black, gray, and brown.
And then
And I usually feed them corn.
you feed them with corn.
Corn. Yes.
Corn only.
Corn and sometimes rice.
Sometimes rice.
Yes.
Okay. How many kilograms do you feed the pigeon for 1 week or 1 day maybe?
Usually every day, sir.
Huh?
I usually feed them every day.
Okay. And then how many kilograms do you finish for feeding the pigeon?
I don't know exactly how many, but
Hmm?
if I remember, it's about half of a small bowl.
Small bowl
Yes.
for one time feeding.
Yes, since I feed them every day.
Okay. See, I mean that one bowl of corn
Yes.
will be finished only one time feeding.
Yes.
Yes. So if you give them 2 times a day, it means that 2 bowl.
Yes.
Okay. So how many kilogram for one bowl of
Uh,
corn?
For one bowl, sir?
For one bowl.
Oh, for one bowl, probably half a kilo.
A half a kilo
Yes.
gram, yeah.
Yes.
How much do you buy for 1 kilogram of corn?
1 kilogram of corn.
Hmm?
Probably is 10,000.
10,000 rupiah.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, what do you do usually together with your pet, like with your cat or with your pigeon? What do you do together
I sometimes play
with your cat first?
Yes. For my cat, I usually play with them at the back of the house, and sometimes to the field.
Yes. What do you do? I mean that. What do you do? You play. What do you play?
I play with them. Like, sometimes I jogging with them, and sometimes play ball with them.
Jogging.
Yes.
Yeah, jogging, and then what else?
And,
Clearly,
and sometimes play ball with them.
play ball.
Yes.
Okay. And then you throw the ball, and then the cat will catch the ball and then try to find the ball. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, and then when you throw the ball and then the cat will run to take the ball over there. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay,
But they're probably not give
No.
it back to me.
okay. What do the cat do if it doesn't take back the ball to you?
As they usually chew it.
Oh, they use the ball by themselves.
Yes.
Okay, and then what else? Where do you play with your cat usually? Where do you play?
But usually at my house and sometimes at the field.
In the field, and then
Yes.
what else? Where do you go usually? Do you go with your cat to the rice field, for example? Going to some river, maybe? Is that river? Is there river in your
Yes.
near your house?
Yes. In
Yes.
front of my house there's a river and a farm field.
Farm field.
Yes, farm field.
Okay. When you bring your cat to the river, what do you do there? Do you bath and do you take a bath together with your cat or not?
I not take I don't take bath in the river, so
Mm-mm.
but
I bath
I bet my cat
In the river?
sometime in the river.
Okay, you don't take a bath in the river, yeah, but
No.
you sometimes bath the cat
My cat
in the river.
in the river. Yes.
Okay, good. Why you don't like to take a bath in the river? Do you think that it is very dirty?
Yes, sometimes it's dirty
No.
and it's usually cold outside and I don't like
You see,
cold.
you shy.
It's
You are shy.
usually
Yeah, usually.
it's cold outside and I don't like cold.
Oh, you mean that in the river usually there is a cow,
Co- co- I mean,
buffalo.
no, I mean cold. The weather is
Oh, the weather
yes,
of the water
yes,
in the river is very cool.
yeah,
Cool, not cold.
cold,
Cool.
cold.
Yeah. So you are lazy to take a bath in the river because it is very cold. Yeah.
Yes,
What about in your bathroom? Do you think that in the bathroom is warmer than in the river?
yes.
Warmer?
Yes, it's warmer.
Warmer. Okay. Okay. Now for the pigeon, where do you play usually with your pigeon? Do you have a pigeon racing?
No, sir.
No.
I don't have.
So what do you do with your pigeon? In bahasa Indonesia, in bahasa Jawa, usually we say that andoan. Do you do some andoan with your pigeon?
Excuse me, sir. Andoan, what is this andoan?
Andoan means the pigeon race.
Oh, no, I don't raise them for that.
So what do you get from having a pet pigeon?
There's nothing, just play around with them.
Just play with them
Yes.
and then
just
feed
play.
them every day.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Nothing else, sir.
You don't take the egg, for example, the egg of the pigeon, and then you eat it by frying it.
No.
No,
No,
you don't
we-
slaughter the pigeon,
No.
and then you fry the pigeon, and then you eat. No,
No. But.
but do you ever eat
but,
the pigeon's meat?
Oh wait. But sir, sometime. But sir, long time ago, my family sell some of the pigeon.
Sell.
Yes.
What for? Sell for the meat, for the flesh, untuk dagingnya, or just for some racing?
I don't know, sir.
You
I
don't
never
know.
asked them.
Oh, you never asked them.
Yes. And there's nothing else I do with them, sir.
Okay.
Other than playing around with them.
Okay. Okay, well, audience, today we have talked about something with Rahmat here. Today is the last day for the examination in our school, Senior High School 3 Lumajang. And then when I asked Rahmat about what is his activities in the home, because after this we will have some long holiday, and he told us about that he has a pet. The pet is about cat, two cats, yeah,
Two
two
cats
cats,
and 20
male
pigeon.
and female, and then he has a pigeon too. The total of the pigeon is about 20 pigeons. And something that Rahmat do with the pet is just play together with them. Sometimes they play the ball, running, jogging with the cats, and sometimes Rahmat has entertained by having feeding the pigeon, feeding the cat. It will entertain Rahmat too. So that's all about our podcast today. Minimum we have talked about something by using our English, and I will ask you, every one of you, if you want to join this program, just call me Mr. Jainul in the school, or maybe you can contact Rahmat here. Rahmat is the student of 1110. You can call him and then ask to join with our podcast, and we have recording together here. I think it's enough for today, Rahmat. Thanks you for coming and attention. See you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semoga English Podcast The Pioneers.